but well, I was just hungry. Hey, bud, what's up? Where my mouth duckies at? Meh, meh. Excuse me. Hey, bud, what's up? Still hungry? You want another piece? Alright. How about you? Alright, let's get you another piece. I can see what's going on. Hi, buddy. You ready to catch this one? Whoa. Ah, you too? What's this, deja vu? Alright. Hi, buddy. Come here. Come here, don't be shy. Get down. There you go. What else? Hey, bud. Let's get everybody here in the frame. Let's see. Alright. Boing. Well, here you go, big guy. Hey, be nice to her. Or her. Be nice to her. Where's the baby? Where'd you go? Hi, baby. Where you going? Try that. Hey, where's Pepper Team doing over there? Pepper Team, come over. What's Pepper Team doing over there? Yeah, you guys go get some water. Want some more, buddy? You not thirsty? Hi, baby. Come here. Oh, you caught that one in the air. Come here, Mama Ducky. Here, have that one, buddy. Some more there. Hey, Pepper Team. Finally showed up. Hi, buddy. Guys are ready for a competition? What are you doing? hungry? Still looking for more food? Oh, he found one. Look. It's got one. Little baby. Hi. What you got in your bag, baby? You got a ring? Oh, so pretty. Alright. See you guys later. Alright. Let's see who we have here. Hi, bud. Oh, how you doing, buddy? You want some? Oh. Hi, bud. How's everybody doing? You guys doing okay? All right. Well, looks like everybody woke up hungry. If you guys want to help me feed these guys, you can. You can open up a cash application here. It's called Dragon Biz 9. If you guys want to chip in, we'll get some bread for these guys. We got the duckies in the background. We can call them. Come here, mama. Hey, bud. Hey, mama ducky's coming. Hey, bye-bye. Who else is hungry? One more. Alright, guys. There's one more right here. Get it? There's one more right here. It's right here. There you go. Alright, bye. See you guys later. I'm gonna go make some more bread, okay? See you later. Bye. Say bye. You guys are still hungry? Alright, let me go get another piece.